gonna check out what I have here. I have a mattress for my Tesla. You can see I've got my Tesla Model Y, and here's the instructions for it. It says, that's the storage tips, and then here's the instructions. It's gonna look like that, so it should fit my car perfectly. We'll see. So let's see what this is here. Oh, it's this, in case you want to read it in Chinese. Oh, these are sheets or something for it. I guess this is going to be after we put it together. So let's put it together first. Check it out. It comes with a carrying bag. It's a little windy here, so I have to put it in storage. Okay. Let's see what we got. It's kind of a rubbery thing. It feels like it would almost be waterproof. Quite tight to the roof. And came with a little certificate. And got a little vacuum bag that it comes with, a Ziploc bag to go in. So let's open this up. Well, clip came off. So okay, I'm not good at opening a Ziploc here without the clip. Here we go. Okay. So I guess we'll be able to put it in here and then suck out the air out of the bag if you want to store it. Here it makes it get big. This is here. And so this is the mattress here. And I'm going to put it there. And it looks like it's got the inflator and everything right in there. And then it has a plug here, so we can just plug it into the car, which I'm guessing we're going to have to do to get it going. And let's see. Let's go. Snaps closed. Snaps open. Snaps. Okay. Here's the moment of truth. So this is what it looks like in here at first, without doing anything. I can put that a little bit there. And so let's plug this in. See what happens. It's nothing until I plug it in. Every Tesla here has the 12 volt in the mat. And there it is inflated. So it came with it. It was kind of had a little bit of padding already to start with. But now it is inflating. So we'll see how long this takes and how it inflates to make sure it's not with the bag there. So it's going. It's starting to feel like a mattress. This is going to feel like it's a regular mattress, I think. I may have to put my seats in the front forward a little bit to fit it all in there precisely, but we'll see how we do here. So I'm not sure how long this video has been, about 3 minutes so far, and it's almost full. So Havnby. Okay, I think it's about full. Pretty full. And then these are the sheets for it. If it's just a piece of paper. I'm going to turn it off because I think it's sufficiently flush here at this point. And then these are the sheets, which are nice and soft, and it looks like they're just going to totally bungee over the whole thing. Like that. I don't know which is the top and which is the bottom, but I'll try it here. Bottom. Let's go ahead and try it. Going around to the other side. And there it is. So check it out. This is the mattress. I'm gonna try it out here. And wow, that's pretty cushy. This is a good mattress. I like it. So I want to say thumbs up on this one here. This is so cool. Super comfy. So while I'm sitting here now waiting at the charger for my charging to complete, I can go take a nap. Super cool. Pick up one of these for sure. Super easy. And then I guess I can just turn it the other way to deflate it. And I can feel it sucking out the air. And we'll just suck out the air, put it back in the bag, and I'm ready to go. Super cool. Thumbs up.